Namaste student. We're going to start a new topic, that is the mean. Okay, let's see. Here we have a definition. You can see the definition. Sum of the observation by number of observation. Sometimes we call this mean as average or arithmetic mean. Okay, this is your arithmetic mean. So now, if you see this one, so sum of observation by number of observation. This is general formula. Now we need to go in a particular case. We're going to see that what will be the formula for your ungrouped data and for grouped data. So we have here two part, that is ungrouped data. For ungrouped data we have different formula, and for grouped data we have different formula. Okay. So for ungrouped data we have two parts. One is without frequency. Another we have with the frequency. With frequency. Now, for the first one, the formula is what? X bar. So this is your mean symbol. So x bar equals to what? Summation I equals to 1 to n xi by n. This is the formula. This symbol is for summation. Next, we go for your with frequency. So, with the frequency, we have a formula that is summation I 1 to n xi fi by summation fi. Yes. And here I is what 1 to. So we need to find mean for ungrouped data with out frequency and with frequency. So we'll try to understand this one. We have this one in our target for class 9, and if we go for class 10, we have for class 10 group data. And in that case we have a formula. We have one is direct method, another is assuming method, and the third one, that is state deviation method. So now we'll not discuss this part in this video. We're going to see this two, and we'll try to understand what does this symbol mean. Now, how does it come here? With this statement, how could it possible to write like this? This is our target. I will try to understand it with the help of example. Okay, let's start. If I give or if I ask you that find the mean for the following data, and data is here like 12, 8, 7, 3, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we have. Okay. You can take more also. That is 30. 7. You can take here. 7 repeating. Okay. And 6 also repeating. Now take here. Total count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Okay. Total we have 10 numbers. You may think it is a marks out of 20. These are the marks. You can count off marks as for 10 students. Okay. Now you need to find the mean marks for the 10 students. So how are you going to find it? First, see, if we look at this one, it is not in average. So to find the mean, we don't need to make it average. Okay. But if what you can see that the numbers are not repeating here. If the numbers are not repeat, if one or two numbers repeat, then it is what? And it is not in group also. That means this type of problem is what? Ungrouped data without frequency. Frequency means what? A number repeat how many times in the given data. That is the frequency of that particular value. So here you can see that 12 repeat only one time, 8 also one time, 7 also one, each are in one time. So the frequency is 1. So in this case we say that there is no frequency. Without frequency we need to proceed. To proceed this type of problem we need to use simple formula, that is sum of observation by number of observation. And that formula is what? If you see x bar we have written the first one, that is summation xi by, and here 1t, and now we'll try to understand what is xi here. Xi means, if you take this one as first, this is your x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9, x10. Now, if you will write this one, instead of writing this one, if you write like this, right? Sum of observation by number of observation. That means if you use this formula, you need to write whole thing, that is 12, 8, 7, 3, 6, 4, 14, 4, plus 2, plus 10. By what? Number of observation. So here if you see the observation, how many are there? 10. Now if you use this formula, or if you use summation xi by n, both are same. Why sir? Because here instead of writing this one, if I write this one, here n means what? Total number of observations. So number of observations is total. So how many can you see here? X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means n will be here 10 and this one will also 10. Both will be same here. That means here for this problem, it will not be n, it will be 10. Okay. Right now you have written here as a formula it is your n, but if you proceed for this one, it will become 1 to 10 xr by 10, and then use this one. Now you add and divide it by 10, you will get the answer for the main. So if you see this one, how many will get? 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We are getting 70 by 10, and our answer is 7. This way we need to find. And this formula and this are same here. You can see here. Sum of observation. That means you need to add these all. And here these are x1, x2, x3, x4. That is, what is this? How could you write like that? Okay, let's see the presentation. How to present it. Okay. This is one shortcut presentation for sum of the number. Like, if I go for x1, x2 plus x3, so it is okay for 3. And if you write here more than like 5, 6, it's taking space and it's taking time to write this whole thing. So to present it in a short way, we have symbol. That means for summation, we use this symbol. We call sigma. It is a capital letter sigma. Greek letter. It's a capital letter sigma. And this implies the summation. Now see, it is starting with what? 1. So we'll take I equals to 1. And how many are there? How many top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll go for 6. And what symbol we have applied? X. So we'll write here X and I. This is the presentation of this one. If we'll proceed for more than this 7, 8, so then just we need to change here. It will be your 8. Now, if you increase it and you put 3 dots and write x to 100, x sub 100, we call it x sub 100. So it will change here. We'll get summation 1 to 100 of xi. This is the presentation. So instead of practicing, we have one more presentation for this one. Simple. 1, 2, 3 we write, and then dot 100. So also you can write. Or this is another way. Summation I equals to 1 to 100 x. See, space and the space. We are saving our space and saving our time. That's why we are using